How do you know when it's time to refinance? Rates have been pretty high this year, but they're on their way down. So it's got a lot of people asking, when can I refinance and get a lower rate? Or better yet, how do I know when it's time to refinance? My personal rule of thumb is that you want to drop your interest rate by at least 0.5% without paying discount points. If you don't know, discount points allow you to get a lower interest rate in exchange for paying lender fees. So if you do want to look into getting a lower interest rate by paying discount points, my rule of thumb is that for every one discount point you spend, which is 1% of the loan amount, you should be dropping your interest rate by 3 or 4/8% in rate. So that's 0.375 or 0.5% in rate for every one full discount point that you pay. This way your break-even point is around 3 or 4 years. So as long as you keep your mortgage for that long without selling or refinancing, then it is financially beneficial to pay those points. A lot of slick online lenders conveniently don't mention how many discount points you're paying because they just say that you're getting a superbly low rate, good job. But it's costing you a lot of equity in your home to do that. This is predominantly why a lot of people think that discount points are scams. Because if you have to pay 3% of your loan amount to drop your interest rate by 0.5%, you can fool somebody into doing that without educating them, and afterwards they're going to think that they got taken advantage of, which they did. You have to be smart about it, which means that you need to have a loan officer that's going to show you these options and show you where the break-even point is, how long you have to live in the home for it to be worth it, making sure that you're meeting your goals and expectations for the future. This is precisely why I provide a total cost analysis for all of my buyers and refinancers to make sure that they're making the smartest decision for them and their family, and not just throwing a ton of money away.